What's up, guys? Okay. I'm trying this new thing. It's like this green tea stuff, and you put it in your lip, and it's like gives you energy. Do it. I don't know. Try it instead of coffee, caffeine. Um, okay. Let's check it out. So I'm gonna go over crypto mostly because we just got a daily close, and oh, we boys and girls, it's strong. I like it. Okay. So let's check Ethereum first. That's what I'm on. And Ethereum is looking absolutely gorgeous. On the weekly close, we got to bounce off the moving average. Perfect. Let me just erase my drawings here. Beautiful bounce off the moving average. Easy, simple. Okay, the daily close is what I was waiting for. And basically, it was just like, if it closes bullish, great. If not, not looking so good. The main thing I wanted was for the candle to close above these lows here, above the candle bodies. Okay. And let me post here again. Dude, crypto's looking so juicy. Okay. Anyway, so I love the daily close because we close above the moving average. We got multiple wicks going on, this strong support level, and Ethereum's kind of showing what the rest of crypto's doing too. So look at that support level. Notice how we bounce off of this perfectly, this high over here. So yeah, looking good. All right, from here, what do we want? I mean, just the link is how you get on, brother. So from here, I'm anticipating we just kind of send it up higher. YouTube. I'm gonna put a song really quick. Okay, so let's check Bitcoin. I love it, dude. We're above 50K again. Bitcoin daily close was also pretty strong. Now, just to also show, let me remove the drawings here. A couple things that I see that are amazing for us as bulls or for people that want the number to go up. So we had a low here and we respect that low very well. Okay, Bitcoin's weekly close. Also, you can see a lot better here. We also tested this level here pretty clearly. Let me just draw the line here. Boom. Tested that support level. We retested it twice now. So from here, I think that, you know, the charts look really good. And I think it was just some manipulation just to get the price lower. We got to realize El Salvador adopting Bitcoin and all these other countries looking at it and ETFs approved and on and on. United States now offering legislation or working on legislation. Hillary Clinton also saying, hey, Bitcoin is actually threatening the US dollar as reserve currency. It's bringing all this traction or all this visibility to crypto. And so making it, everyone wants in. Everyone wants Bitcoin. It's the new digital gold. So, okay, what do we expect from here? Because we're not going to go forever and we're definitely going to rip down. You guys have seen so far, been in crypto long enough now, most of you to see what is possible when it comes to dips. So what I'm expecting, and first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw support or not support resistance, but I'm going to go off of Fibonacci because we're looking for new all-time highs. And, you know, we can't go off of information we don't have, right? Or we can't really chart support and resistance when we don't have previous information. So that's why I use Fibonacci replacement or retracement just for crypto. It tends to follow it pretty well. So in this case, what I did is I based off of the most recent high and off of the most recent low. Okay. And if we bounced here, and if we do bounce here, which it's looking pretty good, next level I'm looking for is this 86, 87K. And 87K has been a level for me for a while. It was also, if we line up Fib over here with these guys, And this low, 87K pops up right here too. So on multiple levels for Fibonacci, 87K looks like a decent level. It could go there, could not. I do think Bitcoin's going to go to 100K at least. I think we just kind of slow pump from here for a little while. So what should we do, guys? What do we do from here? I mean, I say buy everything, guys, but literally buy everything. Solana looks good. We made higher lows, retested the high before this breakout. Oh, this is Avalanche. Yeah, Avalanche here. Retested this high before the breakout. Oh my goodness. Avalanche is so juicy looking. Solana looks so juicy. Multiple wicks. We did, oh my goodness. Okay. I look at price action and I look at movements. So here we have this individual bullish movement and individual bearish movement. And the bodies are extremely important, way more important than the wicks. Okay, the wicks show us actually with all these bottom wicks that this is a strong support level. That every time the price goes down here, it gets pushed right back up. Okay, so knowing that, right here, the body of this local low closed above the body of this previous low. So super, super, super strong bullish sign, especially with all these wicks. I'm looking for avalanche buys. Polkadot has bottomed, but I don't know. Polkadot's been underwhelming for me for sure. I think everything's bottomed for sure, and you can't really go wrong. So I'm buying more Saber. Let's actually check Saber really quick. Let's go to trading. And let's see this Saber chart. Nice, we're already on Saber USDC. I haven't been watching it, but it's just been tanking, guys. It's been so bad. Like, oh man. Grateful because this is all buying opportunity, but holy frick, dude. I did not anticipate all this low. And I gotta be honest, guys. So there's Saber that I'm in, I'm definitely down. Yeah. The lower we go, I mean, the higher the upside, because in the end, like 5-year plan, this is a very, very, very strong project to buy into. Saber HQ. So doing so much, guys. Prism finds best price. They're teaming up with Prism, a super smooth DEX aggregator. I don't know what they're doing there, but Saber's doing bridging, so another partnership. And let's check Saber's website. DeFi's cross-chain liquidity network, trusted by the best. Yeah, guys, there's no way this isn't gonna absolutely rip. So I'm gonna buy more. But not at the moment. I want to wait for more of a bounce. So we're looking at daily, a 4-hour. It all looks just booty, but maybe that's why we buy, because everything else looks like it's gonna bounce. 5-year plan, bro. This is gonna go to $10, guys. We're at 5 cents. This is a dream to get into something like this. Yeah, this is an absolute dream. So I'm gonna throw down. I'm gonna put a lot more in. Yeah. And if we go down with the ship, guys, but I'm looking at the Solana chart, and Solana's kind of where it's at for me. You know, that's showing the bounce. And you probably want to wait for a little bit of confirmation, but with everything else looking like it's gonna bounce, I'm feeling good. So well, I'm sorry I kind of hopped on late, but mainly just want to go over crypto, share what I'm seeing. Yeah, it's all love, it's all joy, and I'm really grateful to just be alive, to be breathing, and I'm grateful for opportunities like this. I still believe in the idea that we're gonna run up for the next couple months, like February, March, is when I see us topping potentially. And that's when I'm gonna probably get out. So yeah, and then I expect like, and hopefully everyone can handle it, but I would anticipate after we pump, I would anticipate a 2-year bear market for sure. So yeah, guys. Okay, so Bitcoin looks bullish, Ethereum looks bullish. Rune and others, I think, are just going to follow suit. So I do believe everything's bottomed. Now, here's the thing, though. Let's look at Ethereum specifically. But talking about everything, anything that goes lower than the low that we just made, for me, I'm gonna get out. So if we see Ethereum or if we see Bitcoin go lower than this previous low that we just made, any crypto at all, then for sure, it's time to jump out. So just to repeat twice. So Bitcoin or on Ethereum, that's going to be like a $3,500 price point. And I'm not saying just go below, but I am talking about a wick closing below. That's going to be most important for to know that we're going to go lower. So Bitcoin, of course, is going to be below the $40,000 point. And so, yeah, for the most part, I really don't think that's going to happen. Solana, if we close below 165, get out, take all your money out. Avalanche, it just, oh my gosh, guys, it looks so good. I can't get over it. This is where millionaires are made. Oh, so been waiting on this dip. It's been good. So I'm stoked, guys. Avalanche is so close to ripping back up above $100, and we're gonna catch it all. So okay, what's the plan? I'm trading on Bybit. Okay, Bybit. I'm using. I do have a bot attached to a Bybit. That lost a lot of money in the dip, but it's actually it's doing good. It's in a trade that's up, so I'm letting it ride. It's just trading Ethereum, so I'm gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna give it at least a month, maybe a few months. And yeah, I'm just trading majors. So Avalanche is going to be a big long. You could basically buy Avalanche and aim for new highs. So I'm going to do that. Just do fib retracement. I'm going to post these trades in the group. Okay, I'm going to be conservative here. So get in now, stop loss below the lows, target. Yeah, see, let's even say a little lower. Like I said, I want to be really conservative with this. So I'm going to connect my lows with the candle bodies, highs with the candle bodies. Boom. 165. That's a good trade. Sweet. Okay, so crypto trade. Let's take off these B bands. So Avalanche, I'm gonna predict like I think 165. The fib level is at like 180, so maybe a little higher than that. And I'm gonna give it room. I want to. It may hit that, it may not. So let's find out. Stop loss at 74 dot. Let's just do 74.10. 165. Sweet. Looks really good. I'm in AVAX buys. I'm in Ethereum buys. So yeah, I'm feeling good. Ethereum is gonna be different. It's hard for me to say. I want it to go to 10K. I really do. But we'll see. We'll see what can happen. And Bitcoin for sure. I'm also thinking like I mean I'm eyeing 100K for sure. So 98, 99, whatever. Probably good to sell like 95. And then when we have our take profits for these different pairs, um, we want to let some run. So close most. So okay, for instance, this avalanche trade, what I'm gonna do is I'm getting in and well, I got in a little bit. I'm gonna get in more though, just because how good it looks. And I'm gonna ride it. And when we hit probably the just like right around here, which is the high where the candle bodies are of the recent high, I'm gonna sell a little bit, maybe 25%. When I hit the take profit, I'm gonna sell another 50% of that. So it's gonna be like I sold like 60, 70% basically. And then I'll let the rest ride, but I'll put a stop loss basically above. My stop loss will probably go with my first take profit. So that's how I'm riding it. And this is gonna be like months, guys. Like I would wait. I mean, maybe yeah, a few weeks, probably to a couple months even. So, but it'll happen. It'll seem like it's slow in the beginning, but it'll happen fast. Yeah, I feel so good about it. Feel it in my bones, feel it in my gut. So, mm, yeah, I'm gonna go back to forex when crypto's not taking so much of my attention. It's kind of difficult right now because it's definitely doing that. One second, I gotta grab something. Yeah, so we're chilling, we're waiting. In the meantime, while I'm kind of watching these trades, more swing trading, and then I'm putting time into coaching. Um, I just don't have the time to day trade really right now. So, but when crypto slows down, I will go back to forex for sure. I'm watching things like Jade. So Jade is a staking thing. I bought 4 Jade and I'm up to 7, so I've made 3. Now, granted, on the dollar amount, I put in like 2,500, so I'm only down a little bit. But the high on this coin, it hit like $1,000, and I think this is something that could go to like a couple thousand just based off of how fast it's grown. And it has dipped for sure, but I feel good about it. So I'm gonna probably hold this in for a few months and just see where we're at. I'll probably when I like get to 15 Jade, then I'll sell some. But I think this is one to it's constantly earning. Now the thing with these is only reason I'm in this coin is because I believe and I know it will go up. And I have actually 2 accounts. I got one with actually this one's probably up too. Yeah, I got 6.5 in one and 7 in the other, just kind of earning heavy interest. Now, what I was saying is these are great. They're awesome. I think the yield aggregators are super cool, and it's kind of showing how future finance is really making a turn and how abundance is really coming. But also we got to realize this is like it's gonna when the market dips, these are gonna be some of the first things to dump, in my opinion, just because they don't have much of a use case, you know. So because of that, I would just say let it go. So, anyways, in the meantime, I'm just watching, and I'm gonna wait to see how we go. I'm gonna probably sell a good amount, like I said, at 15 Jade. But if we get up to 8 or 900, I will also sell half because then I'll have triple my money basically. So yeah. Cool, guys. That's kind of all I want to go over. Mainly just wanted to update on crypto. I want to give a shout out to Interstellar Blends, okay? Always keeping me at my best. And I don't get anything from these. I'm not sponsored by them, nothing like that. Just the best of the best feel good herbs. They're a little expensive, but if you want to just feel good, there's this Trinity Seven Sages combo. Here it is. Oh, there's a sampler though. Okay, so it's 250 bucks, and this is like you take these two. Basically, these blends are the best of the best herbs and stuff from all over the world. Here we go. Seven Sages and Trinity Sampler. This phenomenal introduction to two of our most popular blends. If you have any kind of anxiety, brain fog, or depression, it will be gone like it never existed in 7 days or less. And that is the truth. For me, is the brain fog. And so in the brain fog, I would get a little anxious in the past because I would just like, dude, I can't think straight. I can't plan. Like what, like, and getting these blends like the first day, I noticed a massive shift in my whole life. So absolutely the best. The cool thing with the website is that when you go in on like on the link on the page to these blends, you can go through the ingredients and they have listed all the what they do, and they have listed also the science behind everything. So like this one, anti-cancer, anti-genotoxicity, immune system enhancer. I've never heard of this mushroom. Agaricus subrufensis. Fusens, I don't know. Anyways, amazing stuff for sure. Like at the top of my game, taking this Trinity, I think is the most powerful. So if you just want one blend, what's good about this one is the Seven Sages. There's one blend for each day. And so I did enjoy that because it's like, since it's different, you don't build up the tolerance to it as easily. But yeah, if you're just going to get any blend, Trinity by itself is super great. So Interstellar Blends, though, they have a ton of stuff that a year ago I ordered a bunch of stuff, but they got stuck in customs. I never got it. So I am going back to the US. I'll be in Nevada for Christmas. And yeah, they have like this super crazy nootropic. Same thing, a little expensive, but the ingredients just like the best of the best. You won't find any blends in the world that have all the ingredients that these do, and that they're all natural. And they literally like, bro, I made a review of that blend a year ago, the two. And see if I can find the review. 2020. Yeah, it was in 2020 sometimes. There we go. My life has changed. I've not felt this consistently good in my entire life. So that was in October of last year. And so the cool thing is, where is it at? I experienced some growth in my subconscious programming. I had programmed myself to believe that no matter how good I felt at any point, it would not last. So that belief has been obliterated along with the brain fog. So that's what's tight, like literally felt that way. So interstellarplan.com is their site. If you guys want to link to these products, they're really good. I don't get anything for them, so you can mention my name, but they won't do anything for me. But I just think they're great. They're amazing. So, and of course the microdoses and on, just doing all things to get to feeling good, and then we can make good decisions, whether it's investing or trading at any other time. So for just to kind of repeat, guys, I'm feeling bullish. I'm trading the major pairs. I'm in buys on Avalanche, and the bot that I have is in Ethereum buy since 3,800. So we'll see how that goes. And other side pairs are such as Saber. I'm gonna buy more when I get some confirmation that we're bouncing. I'm trading on Bybit. Okay, so for you, Harrison, since you're in the US, you want to get a VPN. So if you don't already have one, say you're in Mexico or something, make an account on Bybit. If you go in the Discord, show you here, and you just go search, and you search Bybit, I'll have a referral link. Just scroll down a little bit. So not that it's a big deal, doesn't matter, but Bybit's the best because they offer leverage and they aren't verifying identity. So anyway, Well, cool guys. I just mainly wanted to update on crypto because we got the daily close and it looked so good. So feeling blessed. Let's watch it. And yeah, other than that, hit me up with questions. I know I'm not consistent in the group. I've just been going heavy on coaching. And I've got my hypnotherapist working and I've been getting stuff out from marketing and all that. So I want to offer tons of opportunity for people. And I want to be able to fulfill on it. So we've had good results and yeah, so we'll keep it rolling. So I will get more consistent though. I'm working with I am talking to some other trading friends. And I plan on providing the best opportunity for sure. So what I'm working on now is just to get more people that can contribute that are going to lay down some value, some really good traders. Yeah, people that know what they're doing. So I'd love to have a daily live stream and all that. I'm envisioning that. I just personally can't do it. So that's where I'll need some help with that. So, but anyway, all the love to you guys. Like I said, let me know if you need anything and let's make some money in crypto over the next few months. All right, talk to you guys soon.